Dude, the Ellen Show blows.
Dude, I like the Ellen Show. What?
We need to change it.
What's up?
Hey,
What's going on?
Not a lot.
much.
Dude, Johnny, you gotta hear the sound effect.
Oh,
Tech,
yeah.
Dude, listen to this. Listen to
Check
this.
it out. No, but seriously, Rockies, you gotta do your sound
Alright,
effect
alright,
for
alright.
it.
Okay, hold on.
That was pretty good, guys. Check this shit out, though.
Alright, let's hear it.
How did you do that?
Just do this.
Dude, no, that's unreal, man. I don't understand how you could do that right now.
No, just loosen up your vocal cords and.
Alright.
Dude. Dude!
You see?
Okay, hold
Try
on.
it.
Oh my god. Hold on, hold on. How do we do that? That's preposterous.
So what were you guys doing?
Our first guest is one of the biggest stars in the world, and she's only 15. Her latest
Hey,
film
so I heard a
Life
really
is in
good
theaters
joke.
tomorrow. Please welcome
A
Miley
snake
Cyrus.
slithers into a bar. The bartender says, "Hey, we can't serve you." Snake says, "Why not?" He says, "'Cause you can't hold your liquor."